Hello, this is the animated icon status template at SharePoint The idea of this template is to show an icon next to status for a choice field. And this is a way to just make things a little bit more noticeable, more eye-catching to your users. So this is an alternative to using just a standard icon image, which is static. There's lots of options to choose from. The first thing you should do is scroll down to the instructions area and you can see the list of choices. There are a total of 50 different animated icons which you can use to correlate to different statuses. For example, for a projects list or something related to a process that you're tracking in a SharePoint list. So once you've decided those icons, you can go ahead and use these two rows to load in your information. And what you will do is build a table where you will provide all of the possible choices for your different statuses and then pick the corresponding icon from this drop-down picker. And these names correspond to the images that we just looked at below. Additionally, you've got options to choose whether this is going to be an inline edit field where you can just click on it to change from the list view. And then, of course, you can do things like tweak the size and the padding and colors and that type of things. So in my list, I've got my choice field and I've already got everything mapped up. So here's my plain vanilla choice field, and this will be a column formatting template. One other thing that's important, before you can use this template, you do need to download the corresponding icon pack, which is linked in the help section. So be sure to click on that. It'll open a new window, and the image set you need is called Animated Status. When you click on this, it will download a zipped file full of all the icons used with this template. And once you have that, go ahead and unzip it to a regular folder, and then you can drag that into your local site assets directory in the root folder of site assets. So you can see I already have my folder here called animated status that holds all of the icons. That is required to load that before you can use this template. Since I've done all my required steps, now I'm ready to apply the template, and I'm going to stick with my default options. Since these are the statuses in my choice field, I'll just pick to copy template, and then I just follow the instructions in the box, click copy, and then I can come over to SharePoint, go to column settings, format this column, advanced mode, select all, paste, and save. And there are my animated icons next to my status. So again, this is just an alternative which allows you to have icons that are maybe a little more eye-catching than just regular icons. So if you have a list where you need something to stick out, especially in a case where if something is of a critical value and you really want it to jump out, this is a way that you can make things stand out more on your SharePoint page. So that's it. This is the animated icon status template at SharePointDashboards.com. This is one of 182 different kinds of dashboard templates you can use at the site as of this video. If you have not yet used any of these, you can sign up to get access to 21 free templates by just going into the site and clicking through the links. I hope you find this useful, and good luck.